Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel with another new vlog from our preparation series, and that is from General Microbiology part 2. So in this vlog we are going to discuss regarding the growth, nutrition and the metabolism of bacteria. As you all know that we have been gone through microscopy, morphology of bacteria, and what are the different kinds of microscope we have learned in our part 1. So now we are going to study regarding the growth, nutrition and metabolism of bacteria. So before starting the video, I would like to request you to please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Keep supporting me, and let's get started with our today's video. So friends, we are here to discuss regarding, first we'll start with the growth of the bacteria. As you all know that all living organism we require growth, we have growth, so we need growth in different form. So in this vlog we are going to study regarding the growth of bacteria, how it will occur. So according to prokaryotic bacteria, they have three major nutritional needs for growth. So I think you all know what's the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic bacteria. This is the basic thing. Okay, so now according to the prokaryotic bacteria, they have three nutritional needs for growth. First is carbon, second is nitrogen, and third is energy. So here the carbon is required for the synthesis of cellular constituents, and second is nitrogen, which is synthesis of protein, and the energy, it is in the form of ATP, okay, which is needed for the cellular function. So these are the basic nutritional needs for the growth of the bacteria. Okay friends, now we are going to discuss regarding the optimum pH. What is the optimum pH requirements for the growth of the bacteria? So the optimum pH for the growth of the most of the bacteria is 7.0 to 7.5 is the optimum pH which is required for the growth of bacteria. And here we have two types of situations, which is acidophiles and alkaliphiles. In acidophiles, bacteria where they grow it only acidic pH, and in alkaliphiles they grow only in the alkali pH. So these are the two different kinds of pH forms where the bacteria, some specific bacteria they will grow in acidophiles, and some specific bacteria they will be grow in alkaliphiles. So the normal temperature for all, the optimum temperature for the bacteria is pH. Okay, pH for the growth of most of the bacteria is 7.0 to 7.5. okay friends, so now based upon these optimum pH, okay, and different kinds of bacteria, the bacteria has been classified based on the atmospheric requirements for growth. So we have a different kinds of bacteria. Now we are going to discuss. First is obligate aerobes. What do you mean by obligate aerobes? It's a kind of bacteria. Obligate aerobes means nothing but require oxygen for growth. Friends, before going deep into this topic, I just want to clear you one thing. First, I want to let you know the difference between aerobes or anaerobes or anaerobic. Okay, aerobes is nothing but presence of oxygen, and anaerobics is nothing but absence of oxygen. So this is the difference between aerobics and anaerobic, and you can also call aerobes or anaerobes. Okay, so first is obligate aerobes. What do you mean by obligate aerobes? If you hear the word aerobes, which means they will grow in the presence of oxygen only, and if you hear anaerobes, it means they can grow in the presence of anaerobes, absence of oxygen. So here the first condition is first obligate aerobes, that means they require O2 for the growth. And the second is aerotolerant aerobes, is nothing but they can grow in the presence of oxygen, but best growth in an anaerobic environment. Aerotolerant, aero is nothing but atmospheric air, tolerant means they can tolerate the oxygen, they will best grow in the anaerobes, which is absence of oxygen. Okay, next moving to facultative anaerobes. What do you mean by facultative anaerobes? Growth in both aerobic and anaerobic environments. Facultative means they are able to grow in both conditions, presence and absence of oxygen. And the next is obligate anaerobes. Obligate anaerobes, they cannot grow in the presence of oxygen. Next, moving to capnophilic. Capnophilic is nothing but bacteria require concentration of 5 to 10% of carbon dioxide for the optimal growth. Capnophilic is nothing but they need carbon dioxide for their optimal growth. How much percentage of carbon dioxide? 5 to 10% of the carbon dioxide concentration they need for their optimal growth. And the next is microaerophilic growth bacteria. Microaerophilic, micro is small, aero means again the oxygen, philic means the bacteria grows optimally in a reduced level of oxygen. Micro is nothing but small, aero means oxygen, that means in the small quantity of oxygen the bacteria optimally they will be growing. So bacteria grow optimally in a reduced level of oxygen. Okay friend, so this is your growth and nutrition of the bacteria, and these are the various kinds of bacteria. They require atmospheric requirements for their growth. Okay friends, so this is your growth, nutrition and metabolism of the bacteria. So this is our general microbiology part 2. So I'm making the videos small so that you all will not get confused and you will not get bored. So I will be uploading each and every topic in a small unit so that it will be easy to understand and easy to remember also. So I will be back with the next topic in our part 3, general microbiology part 3. Till then, hope you like. Please do like.